The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Good Day, Kansas. We're continuing here in Derby again this week at their Stutzman's Garden Center, of course, with Ben. Ben, thanks for having us back today.
Love having you.
Yeah.
You know, this is kind of a fun week too. You know, we were kind of winding down May a little bit, coming into Memorial Day, and there's so many different options that we have, you know, for your patio or whatever. But for Memorial Day, you know, in commemoration to our veterans and just loved ones, one thing that's been incredibly important and to us as Stutzman's, and something we've been providing for many, many years, is what we refer to as a French garden. And what it is, it's a collage of colors that all planted into a container. We have 4 different sizes. You take to the cemetery, and sometimes people will bring them back and maybe pot them into something larger and just let them go. But another thing that a lot of people have been doing is taking a patio planter or even a hanging basket, something that you want on your patio after Memorial Day. And but you can take it out to the cemetery, enjoy it there, then bring it back and have instant wow on your patio at home.
Yeah, as we approach summer here, you guys have a lot of other great specials going on. So what are some other things?
You know, we always have the geraniums.
Yes.
You kind of all supplies last. We'll have multiple purchase sale on that. And of course, roses also have been very popular. And if we're lucky, we may have some peonies in bloom at that point, because in our gardens, oftentimes peonies are blooming about that time and often used for the cemeteries also. But just a great time to come out with your family and just enjoy some strolls through our garden centers. We love Derby is you know, one that you can see here. The team here has done an amazing job of setting this up, spreading it out, and just a peaceful walk in the morning. And at nighttime, the aroma here with all the petunias is amazing.
Yeah.
It's
Wow.
amazing.
We're gonna have to come out at night sometime. But I love your French gardens, so unique. Everything here, people aren't gonna just find anywhere. And they can also come and make these plants and these pots themselves.
You could also do your own thing. It's often fun to see kids come along with mom and dad, and perhaps do something for grandma, you know, planting together as a little family project. That's always fun also.
Yeah. Tell our viewers where we're at here in Derby and some of those other locations across the state.
Right here in Derby, we are just west of Rock on Meadowlark, west of Dillon's. And of course in Pratt, Dodge City, Great Bend, yes.
Wherever you live,
Slide.
there's somewhere close.
We've got one close to you,
Yeah.
absolutely. And of course here in Wichita, 21st and Webb, Cambridge Market, North Rock with Sam's Club, and 13th and Tyler at Northwest Shopping Center.
All right, sounds
Come
good.
see us.
Yeah, Ben, thank you so much for being with us.
Love
today.
having you.
Yeah, we'll have more in Good Day, Kansas coming up right after this.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Memorial Day. What a wonderful time to celebrate and reflect on the price paid for our freedom in this great country. Hi, this is Ben Miller. As we decorate the graves of loved ones, Stutzman's French Gardens with a collage of beautiful color in 4 sizes are a wonderful choice and can be planted in larger containers after Memorial Day. The same goes for a large selection of patio planters that are perfect for your porch or patio. Also right now, buy 3 geraniums and get 1 free of equal size and value. We hope to see you soon at one of our 12 garden centers. Find out more at stutzmans.com and Facebook.